Hi, this is John on behalf of ExpertVillage.com. In this video clip, I'll take you through the final steps for replacing planer blades. Next, we need to reinstall our chip deflector, and if you take a look at it, you'll know that there is a lot of debris on it, so I'm going to go ahead and clean that off with the air compressor. And once that's clean, I can go ahead and reinstall that and make sure to line up your holes. And then make sure to replace all your tools in the tool holder so you have them for next time. And lastly, you're going to want to go ahead and test your planer to make sure that it's working properly.